Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the mini valve knob in a GE range. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new mini valve knob. The mini valve knob allows the gas valve to turn on and off and controls the size of the burner flame. The main reason for the replacement of the mini valve knob is if it breaks or it's simply missing. To replace the knob, we just need to pull off straight out the old one, if it's there. This is the old mini valve knob next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's bring the new knob in, and we're going to match the shaft, valve shaft, and the shape of the knob here. It's a D shape. I'm going to slide it on the shaft all the way in. And now when we're done, you can plug the wrench back in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.